Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to get easy job easy guide. Start by crafting a short resume that highlights skills and results, then pick 3 roles to focus on and apply each week. Reach out to people in the industry with a brief, genuine message and offer value or a quick question. Track your applications, follow up after 1 week, and refine your approach based on feedback and response rates. Begin by matching your resume language to the job posting and including measurable results, like increased sales or reduced costs. Keep your cover letter concise and focused on how you solve the employer's problem. Use bullet points for clarity and avoid generic phrases that add no value. Proofread carefully and have one person review for tone and mistakes, then submit and note the date to follow up if you hear nothing back. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: try these leak-proof meal prep containers for easy lunches that won't spill during commute or interviews, and they make weekday planning much simpler. I love how they stack and save time on mornings, plus they cut costs compared to eating out. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Before interviews, prepare 3 stories that show how you solved problems using the STAR format, and rehearse them aloud for natural delivery. Research the company and prepare questions that reflect genuine interest, like team structure or success metrics. Dress appropriately and arrive early, whether virtual or in person, and keep answers concise while highlighting impact. Follow up with a brief thank you message that reaffirms your enthusiasm for the role.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.